Are you looking for something that you can do with the children for this last weekend of our summer holidays? If so, what about popping along to the British Museum and do a Find It Yourself family trail? Take your copy of Step Back in Time to Ancient Kush. Of course, you have to complete the activities before you go. And then what about trying to find some of the artifacts in the book in the museum? So for example, on page 11, did you know that those four rams that were in front of the temple at Kawa in Sudan are located in different places around the world today? And one of them is in the British Museum. See if you can look at the picture and spot the ram for yourself in the museum. I'll give you a clue in the caption. On page 2, Amanirenas stele. Can you find that? That's also in the British Museum. So that's something you can do with the children. That is fun, indoors, and also involves learning some Black history as well. Good luck and let me know how you get on.